Hello Miss Putri, my name is Audrey Seklairin, class XB. My title is Getting to Know Balinese Dance in Indonesian. Bali, from the island of the gods, is famous for its enchanting natural beauty and holds extraordinary cultural riches. The only cultural heritage that stands out the most is the art of dance, which is full of unique and interesting meaning. Balinese dance is famous for its dynamic and expressive movement. So someone who watches or see this Balinese dance will attract their attention. This Balinese dance movement is inspired by nature, such as the movement of flying birds rolling sea waves and the movement of flash waving in the rice fields. The unique queens of Balinese dance is not only beautiful movements that are entertaining but also an embodiment of the spiritual values, tradition, and philosophy of the Balinese people. Balinese dance has a variety of dance, but they do not always depend on the storyline. The main goal of Balinese dancer is to dance each take of movements and sequence with full expression. The beauty of Balinese dance can be seen in its abstract and beautiful movements. The most well-known Balinese dance are Pendet, Gambu, Baris, Songhyang, and Lenggong. The most beautiful dance have a religious meaning because of the rapid development of tourism. Some of these dances have been performed at activities outside religious events with several modifications. Traditional Balinese dance in Indonesia has three genres, namely the Wali type or sacred dance, Bebali or semi-sacred or ceremonial dance, and Bali-Balihan or dance for entertainment purposes. The Wali and Bebali dance can only be danced at certain places and times. The Wali dance is performed in the inner courtyard of the temple, and the Bebali dance in the central courtyard or middle Jaba. On the other hand, the Bali-Balihan dance is danced in the courtyard outside the temple or on the sidelines and in the entertainment events. These three genres are represented by 9 dances that depict the functions and tradition of life in Balinese society. The characteristic of Balinese dance is that it has distinctive foot movements where the legs are open with a slightly bent movements. With these foot movements, Balinese dancer can match the rhythm of the music with glee and enthusiastic dance movements. Not only that, when dancing, the dancer glances are also one of their characteristic features. Movement of the eyes to the left and right is usually called sleeping. Meanwhile, rotating eye movements or glances are like drilling. Generally, these movements are played at varying tempos. Apart from that, the use of the human voice can also be musical instrument. This dance involves dozens or even hundreds of male dancers who sit in a circle and sing according to an instrument that continues to repeat itself. Balinese dance can be performed by anyone. It doesn't have to be a professional dancer. Even lay people can do it. Yeah. Bali does not go a day without the sound of gamelan accompanied by dance movements. The strains of traditional musical instruments have become famous on the island of the gods. Puspa various dance expressions are present in religious rituals, performed in traditional ceremonies, secret social events, and as tourist attractions. Dancing is not only done by young women and handsome young men, but influences Balinese people from children, teenagers, adults to the elderly dancing in the Hindu religious rituals. This dancing makes the joy of a performance as always as an aesthetic expression. The lecturer at the Denpasar Indonesian Art Institute, who often strengthens the Balinese arts theme on trips abroad, explained it. The before Hinduism came to the island of Bali, primitive society already had a type of dance that functioned toward of evil or disease, which is still found in rural areas and mountains. The rhythm of life depends on the natural surroundings, which influence and dance movements such as imitating the swaying of trees in the wind, waves, and animal behavior. The function of this dance is a ritual to reject Nala, ask the spirits and gods for safety and protection. However, nowadays performing arts are thought to have originated from the Majapahit kingdom and tribes of the Apayurt in Bali during Andayana's reign in the century, elements of which are spread across several Balinese arts such as Kalonarang, Arja, and Lenggong. Today's Balinese perform arts such as a ballet dance, for example, many of which adopt Kambuh, Kalonarang, which are often called magic theater, of use the stock characteristic of the Gambu dance drama, as seen in the important characteristic, namely the prince, king, and his pati-pati. Yeah, this is also used as the basis for the theme in the shadow of the influence of the Gambu dance drama. Legong Keaton appears and develops with its own identity. Legong is a Balinese art that completely knit together by dance aesthetic, because dance is thought to have appeared in the year 1811, which only use stories or plays and themes as frames. Dance originating from Bali is a manifestation of cultural expression through a combination of movements and is imbued and bound by Hindu Balinese cultural values. The life of dance cannot be separated from life in them is art in the Bali region, where art is human skill to express and create beauty and value for life. This is an important branch of culture. Our culture of investing in the future is to develop the counter is that it remains sustainable. Balinese culture is something that is very necessary for the social and spiritual life of the Balinese Hindu community. Dance originating from Bali has a magical ritual nature which is influenced by elements of animist beliefs. In conclusion, Indonesian traditional Balinese dance is very diverse. Each dance has its own characteristic, and each dance also has a good meaning and function for its tradition and beliefs. Balinese dance has many unique features so that people who see or watch Balinese dance performance can attract their attention. Usually, this Balinese dance is not only performed by teenagers, but Balinese people can also join in dancing Balinese dance. Even both children, teenagers, adults, and the elderly can too. This dance is open to everyone, so they can expression Balinese dance, which has expression that attract the attention of the audience. This topic is very influential on God's creation because this dance is also combined with religious values. Where this dance has religious values in Balinese dance, which is a culture on the island of the gods sovereignty. Balinese dance is performed for religious ceremonies, while as Ancestor Sanghyang is performed in connection with animist beliefs. Thank you.